What's up, you guys? Welcome to the I-Khanic Show. It's your host, Inam Khan. Boy, oh boy, what the barnacle happened today in the stock market. Woo! So in today's episode, I'm going to go over exactly what happened today, and I'm going to outline my strategy moving forward. So make sure you watch it all the way to the ending. So it all started this morning when I woke up, just like many of you guys, and saw my Robinhood portfolio, and it was down a lot. In fact, I was down about $14,000 in the last 2 days alone. It's not a good feeling. Of course it's not. Everything was down. It was Tesla, Plug Power, NEO, even Bitcoin was down. So yeah, it was not the best starting to my day. And it wasn't just today. In fact, it was like the last 6 sessions where the market, especially tech and EV, has been going down consecutively, consistently. And because of that, there was a lot of panic in the market. A lot of you guys came up to me and started asking me questions as well about what you guys should do. So let's start off by examining what exactly happened, all right? So personally, I would not call this a market crash. In fact, if you look at the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ and everything, they are not that low. It's not like March 2020 when things were falling by like 5% a day and the S&P 500 was falling like 5% a day. That's definitely not going on right now. Actually, if you look at it a little bit closer, it's very isolated to tech and EV. In my opinion, I feel like a lot of the institutional investors are actually rotating their funds out of tech and EV and into cyclical stocks and airline stocks and retail and stuff like that, the recovery stocks. So that's what I think is actually going on here. There's also another big thing that happened. There was a lot of speculation, I think since yesterday, about interest rates going up. And this is mainly due to the 10-year treasury yield being up after quite a long time. So for those that don't understand what interest rates really have to do with anything, let me explain it to you pretty simply. So as interest rates go up, generally that means that the stock market and the real estate market is going to go down a little bit. Why is that? Well, it's because it becomes a lot tougher for retail investors like you and I and businesses to borrow money to invest. Also, a lot of people, a lot of the big money folks, a lot of the institutional investors, they find a much safer return by putting their money in bonds and whatnot. So just remember that as interest rates go up, stock market and real estate usually tends to go down. As interest rates go down, usually this is done to stimulate the economy, like back in 2020. You'll find that the stock market and the real estate market go up. So basically what I'm trying to say is what we could have been witnessing the past few days are people just taking profits because they think interest rates are going to go up. Well, lo and behold, we all dialed into that 10 o'clock meeting with Powell and interest rates did not go up. And I think that's the main reason why we saw our first green session after like a whole week. All right, so now let's talk about what my plan is during this time. So at approximately 9 a.m. this morning when Robinhood allowed you to vote, okay. So approximately at 9 a.m. this morning when Robinhood allows you to trade in extended hours, I closed all of my positions that I was still up in. I think this turned out to be a great decision because a lot of stocks crashed after 9:30. The reason why I did this is because I wanted to wait until the 10 o'clock meeting with Powell and then assess the situation after that. Just in case he happened to raise interest rates, I knew the stock market would crash even more. So I just wanted to wait and see. It was a safer move, all right? And now that I know that rates are not being increased, I'm going to slowly start to build my position and look for stocks that are on sale. I already started building my positions up in NEO, Tesla. I bought some CCIV as well, also some Apple. Basically, whatever stocks I thought were a great price, I started to buy some. I also happened to increase my position in Bitcoin once again. And by the way, guys, I recently started my Patreon page where I actually notify everyone when I buy or sell a stock. So you would have known well in advance this morning when I sold my stocks. So if you are interested in signing up for my Patreon page, I think it's extremely affordable. Go ahead, sign up. The link is in the description. So what do you guys think is going to happen in the stock market? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. So shoot me a comment. I usually do read all of them. And if you found this video useful and beneficial, please consider liking and subscribing to this channel. It definitely helps me out a lot. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at the I-Khanic Show. I post there once in a while. And oh yeah, so I'm trying to get monetized on YouTube. So I need to hit 4,000 watch hours. If you want to go and binge watch all of my videos, I think you guys would really enjoy it. It would definitely help me out as well. So thank you. I really do appreciate that. And again, you know the usual. You could get your 4 free stocks on Webull if you deposit $100. Guys, it's literally free money. And Webull, actually, I was playing around with it yesterday, and it's an amazing brokerage. So guys, I don't know why you guys wouldn't do it. Get your free stocks right now. Today, actually, I got a free GE stock, which was 15 bucks, guys. So go ahead and do it. And if you want to know what kind of camera equipment and microphone equipment I use, of course, that's also in the description. With that being said, guys, aim high, don't be shy, and thanks for watching The I-Khanic Show.